thanks to all Patreons and channel members for supporting me. I'll be releasing project files to my Patreons and exclusive tutorials for channel members. For details, please check link in description. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to my channel. So this is yet another tip or a hack video. So by default, when you play the character and when you attach items to it, all your code will be basically on the CBP character, and you would have set the sockets and everything there. So it should work everything fine on your CBP character. But if you change it to a different character, for example, if I take this metahuman character. So now when I go and pick some item for which I've already set the sockets and other things, it is not visible here. So let me show it here. You can see the helmet doesn't sit properly on the head. Right. That's because the size of the character and the base skeleton is different. So there is a simple fix to do it. I'm not sure even if that's the right way, but whatever this method, it works. So what you can do is you can go to your character, whichever you are using. So here, this is our base character. This goes to the EF and mannequin. So just unhide it, make it visible. Go to your viewport. So now you are able to see the difference. So the metahuman character's height is above this mannequin character. So simply click on the body. So that has your metahuman character, and come here on the scale. Try to reduce it and make it equal to the mannequin. So now you have both on the same height. And now you can go to your mesh and now when I play, so this fits now. So all the sockets that you have set earlier should work fine now. At least much better to what we had, what result we had earlier. So let me know if there is any better method to do it, or even I'll update if there is any better, more proper way to get that done. For now, this is a temporary fix kind of thing. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.